Now example 2 જોઈએ આપણે. d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to 3x raised to 3 by 2 into e raised to x. Find gs. Right? First of all આપણે શું લઈએ auxiliary equation. So d square minus 2d plus 1 equal to 0. So d minus 1 no square is equal to 0. So you get d barabar 1 but 2 times, right? 2 times. Right? So your CF is C1 plus C2x e raised to x. This is our CF. Now y1 and y2. y1 बराबर C1 e raised to x, y2 बराबर x C2 e raised to x. Right? So C2 x e raised to x. याद रखिएगा C1 e raised to x y1, C2x e raised to x y2. Right? Now capital W Wronskian test. So we have y1 y2 dash, this kind of condition, y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. So you can write like this, y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. First of all આપણે અહીં લખી નાખીએ y1 શું છે, this is our y1, so e raised to x, right, plus c1 y1, right, plus c2 y2. So y1 આપણું શું થશે, e raised to x, અહીં લખી નાખીએ again x e raised to x, y1 dash e raised to x, so e raised to x, y2 dash x એટલે x to 1 plus x is it is e raised to x, no e raised to x. Here we have this is not our y1 y2, this is like cn barabar c1 y1 plus c2 y2, right? So our y1 is here looking at y1 barabar just e raised to x and y2 barabar શું આવશે x e raised to x, right? તમારે c1 c2 કન્સિડર નથી કરવાના, right? y1 y2 માં તો right y1 and here write 2, right? y2 barabar x e raised to x and y1, right? c1 y1 plus c2 y2 for this variation parameter matter, right? Now calculate this. So you get, here I do the calculations, e raised to x into e raised to x plus x e raised to x minus x e raised to x into e raised to x. So now e raised to x into e raised to x, e raised to 2x plus x e raised to 2x and minus x e raised to 2x. આ બંને કેન્સલ થઈ જશે તો તમને શું મળશે, e raised to 2x. Write down here e raised to 2x is our w, right? Wronskian. અહીંયા લખી નાખીએ w બરાબર e raised to 2x. So we get all the value, substitute, right? Now main formula our pi માટે અહીંયા લખી નાખીએ શું આવશે uy1 plus vy2. તો પહેલા first of all u find out કરીએ આપણે, right? So u બરાબર minus integrations y2x upon w into dx. So we have all this value, y2 barabar x e raised to x, again x is these functions, so 3x raised to 3 by 2 into e raised to x, w barabar e raised to 2x. આનું શું કરવાનું, સોલ્વ આઉટ કરવાનું છે આપણે. Now what we do first, we do 3 બાર લઈ લઈએ આપણે, right? e raised to x એટલે e raised to 2x ને 2x કેન્સલ થઈ જશે. So here only x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1, this one is x raised to 1, so plus 3 by 2 એટલે x raised to 5 by 2 into dx. So x raised to 5 by 2 integration શું થાય, x raised to 5 by 2 integrations શું થશે, x raised to 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1. So we have x raised to 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2. The 2 पर ले जाते 2 by 7. So we have minus 3 into 2 by 7 into x raised to 7 by 2. So minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, right? And looking at here minus 6. Looking at here minus 6 by 7. And looking at our u1, we have u1 barabar minus 6 by 7 x raised to 7 by 2. right? Because you integration 5 by 2 plus 1, right? It's easy. Now looking for v. V बराबर same condition, integrations small sign y1 into x upon w into dx. Also I am writing here y1, that means e raised to x, x that means 3 x raised to 3 by 2 e raised to x, w बराबर e raised to 2x into dx. And this one cancels, so we have to do only integrations. 3x raised to 3 by 2, right, into dx. 3 by 2 શું થશે? 3 by 2 plus 1 એટલે શું થશે? 5 by 2, right? So 3x raised to 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2, the 2 ઉપર જશે એટલે 6 by 5 થશે. 6 by 5, x raised to 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2, 5 by 2 આવે એટલે 2 ઉપર જશે, 2 into 3 એટલે 6, એટલે 6 by 5. So we get v બરાબર 6 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2, right? Put the value on here. Pi u बराबर minus 6 by 7 x raised to 7 by 2 y1 e raised to x plus v बराबर 6 by 5 x raised to 5 by 2 y2 એટલે into x e raised to x. x raised to 1 અહીં તમે એડ કરશો તો શું આવશે? 5 by 2 plus 1 એટલે 7 by 2. આ x રિમૂવ કરી નાખીએ આપણે તો અહીંયા શું આવશે? 7 by 2, right? અહીં લખી નાખીએ x raised to 7 by 2. Same thing again, x raised to 7 by 2 e raised to x common લેશો તમે તો શું આવશે? minus 6 by 7 plus 6 by 5. તમે 35 LCM લ્યો, અહીંયા 35 LCM લેશો તો અહીંયા શું આવશે? અહીંયા આવશે minus 30 plus 42 upon 35. તો શું રહેશે remaining? 42 એટલે 30 40 એટલે 12 upon 35, right? 12 upon 35 એટલે લખી નાખીએ x raised to 7 by 2, right, e raised to x into 12 upon 35. Remove this. So this is our pi, right? Add here CF plus pi માં GS બરાબર CF plus pi. pi શું છે આપણો? 12 upon 35 x raised to 7 by 2 e raised to x. So this is our GS, final answer, right? Step by step कर लो, આવી જશે answer. Now example 3 જોઈએ આપણે. First of all CF find out કરવું પડશે. find again GS using variation of parameter method, right? Answer માં first of all auxiliary equations. So we have d cube minus 6 plus 11 6d square, right, plus 11d minus 6 equal to 0, right? So normally આપણે આના ફેક્ટર નહીં કરી શકીએ, તો આપણે અલગથી રીતે જે ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ એક ફેક્ટર ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરીએ. પહેલા 0 મૂકીએ, પછી 1 -1 2 -2, રાઈટ? તો 0 મૂકવાથી 0 નથી આવતો. 1 મૂકીએ તો this one 1 એટલે 1 -6 plus 11 -6, તો 12 -12 એટલે 0. તો આપણે એક ફેક્ટર શું મળી ગયો આપણે? d બરાબર 1. Now starting here coefficient 1 -6 11 -6, right? Here directly put 1 here, so 1 into 1 1 -6 plus 1 5, that means here -5 6 into 1 6, so we getting 0. So d minus 1, here d square minus 5d plus 6 equal to 0. So d minus 1 d minus 2 and d minus 3 is our factor. આના શું થશે? બે ફેક્ટર d minus 2 and d minus 3, right? અને આ કેવી રીતના આવ્યું? તો કે આના કરતા એક ઓછો પાવર d square minus 5d plus 6, right? આના કરતા એક ઓછો પાવર લેવાનો. So we get three factor here: d minus 1, d d minus 2 and d minus 3, right, equal to 0. So we get the value d barabar 1 2 3, right. So we get the CF barabar c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x plus c3 e raised to 3x, right, c1 c2 c3. Okay, now for pi we looking for this one is અહીં લખીને કે ઉપર લખીને કે આપણે રાઈટ CF બરાબર c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to 2x plus c3 e raised to 3x, right. So here CF बराबर c1 y1 plus c2 y2 plus c3 y3 સાથે કમ્પેર કરો. So y1 બરાબર e raised to x, y2 બરાબર e raised to 2x and y3 બરાબર e raised to 3x, right. Now let's find out w બરાબર y1 y2 y3, right. y1 y2 y3, y1 dash એટલે e raised to x to e raised to x, 2 e raised to 2x, 3 e raised to 3x, right. Dash differentiation આનો. Okay, again differentiation. So 4 e raised to 2x and 9 e raised to 3x, right. Differentiation આનો differentiation. e raised to 3x e raised to 3x, 3x from total 3 into 3 9. Now you can common first row e raised to x, second row e raised to 2x, sorry, column, and third column e raised to 3x. So you have 1 1 1 1 2 4 and 1 3 and 9. You can sort out this. Here e raised to 6x, right. 3 plus 2 plus 1 e raised to 6x. So તમે આનો સોલ્વ આઉટ કરીએ આપણે, તો શું થશે? 1 9 into 18 minus 12 minus 1 9 minus 3 plus 1, so the 4 minus 2, right. This one into this one. So here 6 minus 6 plus 2, so we get 2, right. So this answer is 2 e raised to 6x. Answer is w बराबर 2 e raised to 6x, right. And calculation કરવાનો છે, determinant થઈ જશે, right. Now put the value pi બરાબર હવે તો ત્રણ વેલ્યુ હશે pi ની, u1 રાખીએ આપણે, u1 y1 plus u2 y2 plus u3 y3, right. Okay, now first of all find out u1 માટે હું ફોર્મ્યુલા છે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન. શું હશે? y2 y3 dash minus y3 y2 dash upon w into x dx. So I have to written here y2 y3 dash because I don't know. So w बराबर e raised to x, e raised to 2x, e raised to 3x, and this one is e raised to x, 2 e raised to 2x and 3 raised to 3x, right. This one is y1 y2 y3, and here is y1 dash y2 dash and y3 dash. This one, right. This one, right. Our range requirement here. Okay, now y2 y3 dash, that means y2 y3 dash our name. So we have 3 e raised to 5x minus y3 y2 dash એટલે our name, right. So 2 e raised to 5x, w બરાબર શું છે? 2 e raised to 6x, and x બરાબર શું છે? e raised to minus x dx. e raised to 5x કોમન થશે, 3 minus 2 શું થશે? 1. 3 minus 2 શું થશે? 1. So 1/2 તો બહાર લઈ લઈએ આપણે, તો e raised to 5x into e raised to minus x એટલે e raised to 4x upon e raised to 6x dx. 6x ऊपर जैसे, so 1/2 integration e raised to minus 2x dx. तो अब इंटीग्रेशन શું થશે? So we get minus 2 क्या આવશે? નીચે આવશે, so 1/2 into minus 2 એટલે અહીં શું આવશે? minus 4 e raised to minus 2x, right. e raised to minus 2x upon minus 2 થશે, અને integration minus 2 into 2 એટલે minus 4. So we get u1 બરાબર minus 1/4 e raised to minus 2x, right. ओके सेम u2 बराबर बताओ करना है y1 y3 डैश माइनस y3 y1 डैश y1 y3 डैश minus y3 y1 dash, right? u2 so y1 y3 dash minus y3 y1 dash. So we have 3 e raised to 4x minus y3 y1 dash એટલે e raised to 4x, right? e raised to 4x upon e raised to 2 e raised to 6x into e raised to minus x, right? dx e raised to 4x તમે કોમન લેશો તો શું આવે 3 1 એ 2 2 e raised to 4x, right, into minus x એટલે e raised to 3x upon e raised to 6x by 2 અહીંયા છે into dx તો 2 2 cancel તમે e raised to 4x કોમન લ્યો 3 1 એટલે 2 આવશે, right? 2 e raised to 4x into minus x એટલે 4x minus x એટલે 3x તો તમારી રીતે કરી લો આઈડિયા આવશે. So you get e raised to minus 3x into dx 6x ऊपर जैसे सो आंसर શું આવશે તમારી પાસે e raised to minus 3x by minus 3. सो આપણે u2 મળ્યું સો એ જે લખી આપણે હવે જગ્યા નથી બટ we can write here u2 બરાબર minus 1 by 3 e raised to minus 3x, right? Now find out u3. Looking for u3, so y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. First of all u2 માં એક ચેન્જીસ આવશે. u2 હતું ત્યારે આપણે શું નિશાની આવે આગળ માઈનસ આવે, રાઈટ? અગર u2 और फाइंड आउट કરીએ એમાં નિશાની શું આવશે માઈનસ કેમ આવશે આપણે we have to add here because આપણે શું કર્યું હતું y1 y3 dash minus y3 y1 dash કરેલું ને y1 y3 dash minus y3 y1 dash so sin ની આવશે માઈનસ ની, right? So minus minus goes to this one plus. Okay, focus on that. Now find out u3. u2 માં આપણે શેની નિશાની આવશે u2 માં માઈનસ નિશાની આવશે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરવા, right? Now again y1 y2 dash so 2 e raised to 3x minus y2 y1 dash એટલે e raised to 3x upon e raised to 6x into e raised to minus x dx. Now 2 बार ले लिए यहाँ 2 આવશે 2 e raised to 6x तो e raised to 3x बार लेशो તમે કોમન લેશો આટલામાંથી તો શું 2 minus 1 રહેશે અંદર તો 1 so e raised to 3x again e raised to minus x એટલે શું આવશે e raised to 2x નીચે શું આવશે e raised to 6x અહીંયા આવશે 1 by 2 integration dx 2x minus 6x એટલે આ ઉપર જશે એટલે શું આવશે minus 4x, right? minus production તો છે 1 by 2 into 1 upon minus 4 e raised to minus 4x તો શું આવશે minus 8 શું આવશે minus 8, right? So this is the u3. So we have u1 u2 u3. Put the value here. So u1 बराबर minus 1 by 4 e raised to minus 2x and y1 बराबर e raised to x. Again u2 बराबर 1 by 3 e raised to minus 3x, y2 बराबर e raised to 2x. Again here also minus 1 by 8 e raised to minus 4x and y3 बराबर e raised to 3x, right? We get all the values. So pi बराबर minus 1 by 4 e raised to minus x plus 1 by 3 e raised to minus x minus 1 by 8 e raised to minus x. So you can common e raised to minus x here, right? E raised to minus x common. So minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8. So you can take the LCM 24. You have to take the LCM 24, right? 3 into 8 is 24. So pi बराबर e raised to minus x to upon 24. So અહીંયા શું આવશે કેટલા આવશે 6 એટલે minus 6 અહીંયા આવશે 8 plus 8, right? અહીંયા આવશે 3 એટલે minus 3, right? 6 into 4 24, 8 into 3 24 and 8 into 3 એટલે 3 4 આવશે. Now minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 plus 8 એટલે -1 upon 24. So minus e raised to minus x by 24 is our PR. Add here CF plus PI માં. So our GS बराबर CF plus PI. Add here CF बराबर C1 e raised to x plus C2 e raised to 2x plus C3 e raised to 3x minus e raised to minus x upon 24. So this is our final answer. GS is the solutions. Right?